The yummy tasty pizza is going to the microwave as I really like that pizza. So, let's put the pizza in the microwave. Wait, what? Are you kidding me right now? Why it isn't the piece of dumb working? Okay, you know what? I had enough of this shitty microwave. That's it. I'm getting rid of this piece of garbage by smashing to the ground for not letting me to warm the pizza.
Oh my god. Jackie, did you break our microwave? We just heard a big loud crash noise in the living room.
Well, to tell you the truth, I destroyed the microwave. That stupid microwave refused to heat the pizza. So I had to let him throw the microwave hard to the ground just because it's broken.
Oh my freaking god. Jackie, Suarez. We seriously can't believe that you destroyed and broke the expensive microwave. The microwave costed about €1,500.
And if you couldn't break the microwave that was acting up, none of this would have been ever happened. But now, it's too late. Jackie, go to your room right this instant. You are grounded for the night and tomorrow.
Why? Now I'm seriously heartbroken because of you, Mom and Dad.